Hi, my name is Shera. I've been walking in this desert for a very long time. I'm really thirsty. This desert feels endless, and I still can't find any water. I am in the Thar Desert.
But Shera is not alone. His friend is a Witblox inventor. He made something special for me. A smart pathfinder using Witblox AI Cam vision. He trained the AI Cam vision to recognize my cards. Then he coded it to guide me forward, left, and right. Now I know where to go. I just have to choose the right card. Shera starts with 100 life points. Touching a spider reduces 10 life points. A scorpion sting reduces 20. A snake bite reduces 40. If life points reach 0, the game ends. Not only that, you also race against time. You have 120 seconds to reach water. The faster Shera reaches, the better. Also, each treasure collected adds 40 points. Your final score depends on time, safety, and smart thinking.